Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about French curls. Like French curls extension, it's not your regular kind of extension. This kind of extension has some kind of should I say special shiny nature. When you see a French curls extension, you know that it comes with something different. It's not a regular kind of your extension that you use in braiding. So now this extension, there is something about this extension. You can't just use the extension carelessly. You have to devise a means to detangle it. Yeah, I can remember the first time I used this attachment, this extension. I wasn't aware of how to use the extension then, and I destroyed the whole extension. Now you're going to let me know how you often detangle your um, um, French chorus extension. I later learned that I have to use water to detangle it. So anytime I use French chorus, I use water to detangle my French chorus, and it's super easy to detangle using water. I don't know, like there are people that don't use water. Some people say they sprinkle water on it, but I dip my French course in water. So I don't know which of them have you used that worked for you. Some people use hair cream to detangle. Some people use water and hair cream. Now I want to know your opinion. What do you think that is the best method for detangling of French chorus extension? Because I have used water and it worked perfectly for me. I'm not talking about sprinkling water on it. I dip it in water, and I think I love dipping it in water, but some persons will say that it's not necessary that you dip it in water. You can just spray water and detangle. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me if you have had an encounter with French chorus. What was your first encounter with French chorus? Did you have the experience before you used it, or what? So tell me how you were able to use it for the first time, how the method you used in detangling it that actually worked for you. I want to know that in the comment section. And also this extension normally comes in different colors, and some of these colors are combined. Some comes with a black and burgundy, maybe black and browns, black and milk, something like that. Some colors are combined, while some are just a single color. And it also comes in different inches. Like when you bring the pack, sometimes if you're observant, you will notice that some packs are bigger than the others. So some are longer while some are shorter. So tell extension. Tell me your opinion about this extension in the comment section. I want to hear from you, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.